Looking at the fact that Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has arrived to be casting her vote. Remember, Kritika Tiwari, my colleague, was just pointing out as to how she is going to be doing the same in a couple of minutes, and that's essentially what we're looking at in the visuals on our screens at the moment. Given the aspect that right ahead of this, she seemed very confident of how the Aam Aadmi Party is going to be winning. But in that voter appeal as well, right ahead of the fact that we continue to show you these live visuals of her coming to cast her vote today, while Delhi voters decide as to which way they would want to swing. Very importantly, as to how Atishi really spoke to voters in that particular appeal right ahead of her coming this morning and casting her vote, which we continuously are looking at on our screens at the moment. She first said, of course, that today is the day to vote for citizens, but she also pointed out how this is just not about casting a button by going ahead and putting that into perspective. She did state that one has to defeat politics of lies, hhatred and fear by taking that direct jibe at the BJP. But at the same point of time, while I mentioned to you what she said ahead of that, these are live visuals. She's, of course, interacting with the polling station officers as well, while, of course, patiently waiting to be casting her vote and following the due procedure as well. Let's also tell you what Atishi did state, that while talking about the progress that the Aam Aadmi Party has made in the past couple of years when they have been in power, that true development and honesty must win in that outreach, while, of course, speaking to voters in terms of how she looks at this election pan out. She also stated that hooliganism will lose and Delhi will win. But this has been a high-octane clash, not just with how, politically speaking, this has panned out for the Aam Aadmi Party, but given the fact that Delhi CM Atishi and how she actually was given that particular post, with all that really panned out for all the senior AAP leaders. And then we, of course, saw how Kejriwal did resign, and then she was put in the forefront. And while talking about the same, why Kalkaji also becomes very interesting, where Atishi is taking on Ramesh Biduri as well as Alka Lamba. Now, remember, both her contenders as well seemed very confident, but now Delhi will decide today. Now we will know, of course, on Saturday, that is February 8th, what has really panned out. But having said that, live visuals that you continue to see now, Atishi going inside that particular casting booth and casting her vote for how Delhi is going to be deciding in these assembly polls. We continue to show you these visuals from Kalkaji, where she is battling. This is a very interesting contest as well. We'll play those graphics in a couple of minutes from now while we continue to show you these visuals. She's cast her vote. She's, of course, showing her inked fingers, saying that, she's done her due diligence of, casting her vote is one aspect, but also deciding that mandate, and rightly so, given the aspect that how this has been a high-octane clash, not just politically speaking, but in campaigns as well in the run-up to the polls, what we've seen. We're hoping just in a few minutes from now, she will be giving us that first reaction. But right ahead of her casting her vote, we do know what she made of the elections and why this is crucial for Delhiites to come out today and be making that decision. But live visuals of the media, of course, continuously tracking her, given the aspect that now she's finished casting her vote. Now, of course, she'll speak about what she makes about the elections is one way of looking at it. These are earlier visuals that you're seeing on your screens of her having walked into the polling station. Now, of course, tracking her coming from outside after she's cast her vote. You're looking at the battle for Delhi that involves from Kalkaji, and with the Delhi CM having just cast her vote, taking on Ramesh Biduri. Remember, he's a former MP, and also taking on Alka Lamba of the Congress. Now you're looking at visuals of Atishi, who did seek divine blessings right ahead of how citizens today, of course, will go in to cast their mandate. It's already started from 7 in the morning. So let me take those points across to Kritika. Kritika, you just are, of course, reporting from Kalkaji since this morning. Given the aspect that right ahead of her just casting her vote, she spoke about how confident she was. But this election has been very interesting for her as well. Politically speaking, her journey has also been quite a turnaround from what we would have looked at in the previous elections. We are expecting for her to speak in a couple of minutes from now after casting her vote, that is. Kritika?
Right, Nivedana. In fact, on your screens, you'll be able to see how the Chief Minister is about to walk out. In fact, after casting a vote on your screens right now, Chief Minister Atishi is visible And along with her, there are other voters as well who have come in fact, to this polling booth to cast her vote. Remember, this is quite near her residence as well. And in just a short while from now, we'll be getting a word from her as well. She's been to the Kalkaji to seek the blessings of the deity there, and now.
All right, we're going to try getting that reaction of Atishi while the media gathers around her to what she wants to say. I think just in a few seconds from now, we will be hearing from the Delhi Chief Minister. Let's listen in.
क्या बोल रही है?
उठा लीजिए ये जो दिल्ली का चुनाव है, ये सिर्फ चुनाव नहीं है, ये एक धर्म युद्ध है। ये अच्छाई और बुराई की लड़ाई है, ये सत्य और असत्य की लड़ाई है, ये काम और गुंडागर्दी की लड़ाई है। एक तरफ पढ़े लिखे ईमानदार काम करने वाले लोग हैं और दूसरी तरफ गाली गलौच गुंडागर्दी करने वाले लोग हैं। मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि दिल्ली के लोग अच्छाई पर, सच्चाई पर, काम पर अपना वोट देंगे। दिल्ली के लोग बुराई को हराएंगे, दिल्ली के लोग गुंडागर्दी को हराएंगे। देखिए, दिल्ली पुलिस कुछ भी कर सकती है। दिल्ली पुलिस खुल्लम खुल्ला भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए काम कर रही है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता गुंडागर्दी कर रहे हैं, वोटर्स को डरा रहे हैं, उनके ठिकानों पर पैसा मिल रहा है। इलेक्शन कमीशन खड़ी है, फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड्स घंटे घंटे तक खड़े हैं, लेकिन बीजेपी के ठिकानों पर दिल्ली पुलिस नहीं आती है। लेकिन ये बिल्कुल साफ है, देखिए, आप पैसे की ताकत, बाहुबल की ताकत, गुंडागर्दी की ताकत, पुलिस की ताकत जितनी भी इस्तेमाल कर लीजिए, लेकिन लोकतंत्र में आखिरकार जनता की ताकत चलती है। दिल्ली की जनता काम करने वालों के साथ है और दिल्ली की जनता बहुत समझदार है। मेरी दिल्ली की वोटर से ये अपील है, सच्चाई।
Has of course gone on to reiterate what she stated earlier as well while making that vote appeal. What she says is it's not a poll but a religious war. It's a battle between the good and the evil, and more importantly, it's a battle between what she makes of the work done by the Aam Aadmi Party and its versus BJP's hooliganism. And she has stated that one needs to vote for the work and goodness that the party has put up. Now, Delhi, of course, will decide. She has cast her vote.